This is a simple epoxy kit that I picked up from the Home Depot. The first step of the project is to power wash your floor. This is to remove the old grime, dirt, and years of junk. If you're worried about the walls, you can throw plastic up to protect the paint. This kit from Rust-Oleum comes with the powder to mix and acid wash your concrete. Make sure your concrete is wet when you start this next step of scrubbing. Make sure you're using a firm deck brush. You don't want to be using just a broom. Get something that can scrub and will take some abuse. Make sure you get every square inch. I went ahead and scrubbed the sidewalls as well. For some reason, they had been painted. Once you're finished scrubbing, it's time to power wash it again. This time, make sure you're getting all the previous acid out of the garage. Just a heads up, this doesn't have to be a high PSI wash. This is more of a rinsing of the concrete. Now, the concrete needs to dry. If you want to speed up the process, pick up your leaf blower and push out as much water as possible. If you happen to have a squeegee, that would help too. It's now time to mix the epoxy. You're going to roll the package from the side that is smaller to the big side. I don't know if it really matters, but that's what the instructions show. Make sure you not only mix it, but you mix it very well. I ended up moving things back and forth a lot. I did not want to end up with a patchy epoxy because I was too lazy to mix for 2 minutes. You're going to want to go ahead and get the flakes ready. Here's an extra tip. Make sure you buy an extra bag of flakes. I don't think it looks good with just the little amount of flakes that comes with the kit. When you're selecting a roller, make sure you use something with a lower nap. You're not trying to create a texture with the epoxy. Once you feel the epoxy is mixed well, it's time to get the paint tray and roller ready. First, you have to start with the edges with the brush. I did this in about a 5x5 section, making sure my lines always overlapped and did not wait between sections. This is one of those projects you do not start unless you're ready to finish. Now, the standard kit does not come with clear coat. For me, it was worth 24 hours later to come back and do this. It really does help us. Please like and subscribe.